Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can copy the link of your Messenger AI to share with your friends. Let's get started. Open up your Messenger app and log into your account, and there you will see your on the top your AI. If you didn't find your AI on the top, you have to simply click on the search bar, and there you have to simply type over here your AI name and then click on that, and then you will comes in AI chat box, and simply click on three dots and simply click on share AI, and there you will see copy link over here. Simply click on copy link, and now you can simply go to the chats of your friends or like people there you want to share your AI. So simply paste there and send it to your friends, and they will access your AI to chat with it, and you will see your AI analytics as well. So that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.